You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this type of pastry or cake, originally from Germany. So fortunately, we're going to have to go through the German pronunciation and then how you can say it in English. It's from German cuisine. Baumkuchen. Baumkuchen is the German pronunciation. Now, in English, we don't have the chen sound, Baumkuchen, so we cannot say it that way, but we can say Baumkuchen, right? That would probably be the closest pronunciation, the closest sound in English. Baumkuchen, you can say in English, or if you can pronounce it closer in German, Baumkuchen, 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 German pronunciation, or I suggest to say it as Baumkuchen in English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.